let's open it up, will you? No, don't. Yep, just pull the top. That way. And then let's lift it out. This is the what is it again? It's the AT-AT U Command with remote control. Toys R Us exclusive. No, don't yank on it. It's probably glued in or taped in or something. Okay, you pull on the bottom a little bit. There we go. Oh, there it is. All right.
Hey, Thomas, look. Hey,
There it is.
here's the instructions. The instructions.
Right. There's the instructions.
So you're basically making an unboxing video.
So there's the instructions.
Look at it move.
It is moving. You gotta turn it this way so it's in the light, well, otherwise you can't see it.
Look. Watch this, guys.
Let's see it. Firing lasers.
Rocking.
So cool.
This is the coolest Christmas present ever.
Yeah? Is it the coolest Christmas present ever?
Yeah. Okay,
Let's get it out so you can play with it. Alright, William, take it out. Let's see how this thing works. So we got a couple little things we got to take off here. It's pretty well clipped in, but it doesn't take much to take it out. So there's the controller.
Yeah, the controller.
Show them how it works. All right. And there's the AT-AT.
Press the button to see what it it does.
Oh.
Okay,
All
do
right.
it again.
We gotta take these, hold on, we gotta take these ties off.
Just let it do it one more time.
Oh, it's
What?
going backwards. Alright, so you gotta take out the batteries. Take this out and replace it with batteries.
Yeah.
It'll come out. The remote does not come with any batteries, apparently. It doesn't feel like it. Oh, it's empty. So let's go get some batteries. Alright, so we got 2 batteries. They just go in here, standard battery style. Put that back on.
Good.
Alright, so batteries are in. Now, it says remove the packaging. Try me demonstrations. Portable battery included, battery may be impaired. Follow battery, replace install new alkaline batteries. So, looks like that should be about it, and you should be ready to go. So,
Okay.
alright, William, let's give it a try. See what happens when you try and go forward.
I'm trying to.
It's not working? Okay, so maybe we need to do something else here. It says,
We already did that.
did we turn on the battery remote? I don't see a power button. There's not a power switch on it anywhere. There's a switch on this that tells it to go. Oh, we're in Try Me mode. There we go. So right down here, there's a switch. See that? Try Me. So we need to switch it to probably play mode. Now, let's see if that works. Nope, still not working.
It was on off too.
Okay, it looks like there's something else in here. I think we have to... unscrew. Looks like we have to unscrew those 2 things and take off the sides. There's probably something in there that's inhibiting it, so we're going to take that off quick. Okay, so there was that selector on the bottom. I switched it to off. It would not focus for some reason. I switched it to off, and then I switched it to play, and then it took. Now, let's see you drive it, William.
How do you shoot it?
I'm guessing you push that button to shoot. Yep, there you go. There you go. Okay, now. Here, let's take it. Let's take it and put it on the floor and drive it around.
Yeah.
here.
Let's drive
So you
it
can
to
steer it.
mom. Okay, let's read it to my mom.
Okay. You can steer it by turning the right stick left and right.
Hey mom,
Okay.
something's coming.
Our dog Lucy seems to like it. It turns pretty good.
Look at that, Ellie. Mom, if you haven't looked, you know it's coming. You know how I said and I had something that
All right.
was unwrapped?
William, what else can it do? Let's figure out what else it can do. So it looks like there's all kinds of functions on here for giving it directions.
Like that.
Yep, you can turn it. You can program it to go in different directions.
Whoa. It kind of is
Okay. So you can pull it
back it up.
to go backwards. You can push there to go forward.
This is so cool.
You turn it there, it turns left and right. And then that fires its blasters. Let's get there closer so you can see it better. That fires its blasters. This is the stop-go button for its programming. Head moves. That's about it. You can program it and do all kinds of fun things with it.
Can I have it now?
There we go.